Hello everyone. This printer is Canon TS4150i. What I want to do is to show you how to scan documents with this printer. What you need to do is you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected together via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct. We connected both via wireless network and the printer is showing us online. To scan documents, open the glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left. This is A4 paper. Then from the app, you select scan, select change settings, then you select data format as PDF. If you are scanning photo, then you select JPEG. Original type, document. We want to scan this in color. Original size A4 plating, then you go back and select scan. This is the document we scanned. If you want to scan the second page, open the cover and turn the document the other way around. Close the cover, then select scan again to scan the next page. You can do this as many times as you like. This is the document. Once you're done, then select exit. The file is saved, then select OK. And these are the documents we scanned, 2-page document. If you want to print this document out or if you want to share this document to somebody via email, you need to select this share icon to print it out or to share it. If you want to share it, then you need to select on it, then select the platform you want to use, WhatsApp, email, etc. Then once you select that particular one, the document will be attached. Then you put the email address of the recipient, then send the job. But you want to print this out first, so select the share icon. Once you select the share icon, it will give you the platforms you can use. It will show you the platforms. Then scroll down and select Canon Print. Canon Print is selected. Then it will ask you, do you want to use this printer? Then you select yes. It's now processing. These are the document 2-page. Then you select next. You want to print all, select OK. Then you select change settings. Select number of copies. You can print up to 100 pages. We want to print only one. So one is selected. The size A4, same as original media type plain paper. So if you have different paper, you can select the type you are using. And we want to print it in color. If you want to print it in black and white, you select monochrome. And 2-sided, we want to print it 2-sided long edge. Then select back arrow. Then you select print. This is the document you printed out, 2-sided. And also it will show you printing is completed. Then you select OK. So you can discard the paper, or if you want to print in black and white, you can also select black and white. If you want to print only page 1, you can print only page 1. So this is how to scan document with this printer. Save the document to your phone. Once the document is saved to your phone, you can go back to your file and select the document and print it out or share the document to somebody. So this is how to scan documents with this printer to your mobile phone, save it, and also print the document out. I'm happy with this printer and it deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.